I built a wrecking ball trailer and then drove it on public roads to terrify people. Driving right down Main Street, no lights, no license plate. Then destroyed some things, dragged it down the road, and then tried to become a paramedic for a phone block. Hold in there, buddy. I don't think he made it. Bet you didn't see that coming. You know, it came to me in a dream. This is pretty much just one giant anti-tailgating device. You got your wrecking ball right here, and then you got your blade. You simply slam on your brakes, and it cuts this whole car in half. It works, I promise. Forgot to put my parking brake on. The wrecking ball must have slammed into it driving down the road. Completely destroyed the welds. Let's see how good we can get it to swing. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Sure hope no one's coming that other way, because they're gonna get whacked. My genius is seriously frightening sometimes. I guess the only thing is to prove that it works. Let's go wreck some things. This is Tim. And in a few seconds, he will not be Tim. Tim is proving to be very elusive. Very elusive indeed. Nailed it. Never say hit a man while he's down, but Tim deserves it. Came in like a wrecking ball. Nothing is of any use if you don't have a second attachment that involves giant blades and spikes. Tim's in trouble now. Like pushing a little child on a swing. Poor Timmy. Oh, my back. We're gonna prove its destructive ability by completely demolishing my home. I raised myself in this house. There's no roof and there's nails poking up, and I got tetanus a few times, but I just, you know, I spit on it and it was like, you know, that's gonna heal. I have healing spit, apparently. Getting teary-eyed. Here we go. Oh. You see how brilliant that worked? One swing. This thing was sturdy too. I think I can destroy it more. Now this is the main use for it. Anti-Tailgater 2.0. As you're driving, you simply just... Is it holding up? I can't see it. And there you go. I guarantee no one's getting close to you now. Well, we know that works. We forgot Tim. Don't worry, Tim. I'm gonna get you out of here, buddy. Oh, Timmy. Oh, it's not looking good, Tim. Just hold in there, buddy. I don't think he made it. I don't think I'm cut out to be a paramedic. I tried my hardest, I really did. I think that was his last leg right there. This is his last one because I cut off his other one earlier. Rest in peace, buddy. When you create a trailer that quite literally has negative tongue weight, happens to the best of us, there's really only one thing to do. The upside down panel hitch. This is the smart thing to do, trust me. Upside down panel hitch with negative tongue weight trailers. It's gonna catch on. Here we go, highway time. I hooked the winch on the wrecking ball just as a safety. If it goes flying off at 50 miles an hour, I'm getting sued for sure. Driving right down Main Street, no lights, no license plate, but heck, at least I put my seatbelt on, so they can't get me for that. Oh, and there's also the fact that there's a giant concrete swinging ball and a blade. Got right behind me. What's up, guys? You guys having fun? Yeah, take a second look. Oh, it's swinging bad now. We're pulled over, I'm gonna drive right by the police station. Cop parked outside of it. This guy's gonna think I'm drunk. Stupid? Yes. Effective? Also a yes. I'm going 10 under, and that guy is about 16 car lengths behind me. It works better than I dreamed it would.